completely changed it. Redone the back battery cover and the speed controller cover. They're now attached with 2 bolts at the back. I decided to put a seat stand post on it, the original one back on, because it might be a bit uncomfortable standing up for a long time. Yeah, it's coming on lovely. I keep saying that, but after a few more graphics I've decided to call it a Viper. Not a windscreen Viper, just a Viper. I've also heightened the front. As I said on my last video, it was lower at the front. I've now raised that up and I've changed. What I did was I recut the original welder that I put on, put a piece of box section steel in, and then redid it and welded that to that. Job's a good one. Right, the update video. The speed controller's come. That's mounted in the back. I haven't got, let me just turn my focus off. I haven't mounted this yet because I've got to take all this plastic off to put it back in. Twist grip speed controller. Change back tyres, as I said I was going to do, because they was pretty knobbly, like them ones. They need changing as well. It has been tested for quite a few hours, and it is very bloody fast for an electric 24 volt scooter. I think he's clocked it at 26 miles an hour. So yeah, all is good. I've told him not to go full speed because it's too fast. He's only tickled it, yeah. You don't go full speed, dare you? No, he don't go full speed. Anyway, it works. I've told him to go steady. It is a bit unstable. I didn't expect it to go the actual speed what I calculated it at, which will calculate at 26 mile an hour. And that's from your RPM of your motor, your front sprocket size, your rear sprocket size and your tyre sprocket size, which calculates a rough estimated speed, which also depends on the size and the weight of the person on it. Now he's got his hazard warning lights on. Well, brakes certainly work, Kyle. Well, that worked as expected. Pretty impressed with it, everything works alright. Bit too fast for him, it's very unstable. something to it, Kyle. Alright, happy with it.